Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is VIVO Y17S, and in this video I am going to show you how to check battery health using Ampere app on this device. Alright, so to do this we have to open our Play Store because we have to install Ampere app from here, so we have to search Ampere. And that's this app. As you can see, it's installed, so now we can open this app. Right here we can click consent, OK. And here is half of our battery. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!